Hey guys, it's Jake Hall, the Manufacturing Millennial. It's day 11, and I hope you guys are having a great day. So a lot of machine vision applications, we're using cameras and external lighting to inspect parts. Machine builders, a lot of times their designers, are using a product like this L300 from Smart Vision Light to create a dark field, low angle light on their part they're inspecting for their camera. However, they don't always know the exact position and angle it should be at, so they leave that up to the controls engineer to fine-tune that adjustment. Well, sometimes when those brackets are made, there's not enough adjustability for the camera or for the lighting, so the bracket a lot of times gets redone. Now, to solve that issue, there's a company called ADandD that makes a series called PopLink. Now, this is a PL base, and this PL base is a modular system that allows me to take the base, snap it into a link system going to another bracket, which will eventually mount my barcode readers or cameras or machine vision lighting or my stack lights. So this bracket series can be mounted to T-slots, to your aluminum jig plate, to your frame, and it allows for adjustability, but once you get it to the position you want, you can easily lock it in place, reducing any movement. So I got my base, I have my bracket here, which in this case is holding a K50 audible indicator light, and I'm going to go ahead, take this guy, bolt it in place, tighten down these two bolts, and now I have a nice robust bracket system that's going to hold my lighting, or my camera, or my indicator light that's not going to bend unless you loosen those bolts back up again. Anyways, here's a fun little show and tell for you guys. I hope you guys all have a great day. I'm going to catch you guys tomorrow, but until then, flatten the curve and take care. Thanks, guys.